There it is. I saw it for a second. Could it be anywhere? It's a blue jay. Oh. Where is it? I saw it. I heard that the first time I've ever seen a blue jay in person was at a water park a while ago. Bud's nest. Anyways, it was at like this place. What the? It's one of those big birds. It's one of those chunkies. But anyways, so the first time I've seen a blue jay in person was at a water park. And when I saw it, like, there it is again. They're doing, like, the first time I saw it, it was making really loud noises. Actually, never mind, that's a robin. It looked like a blue jay for a second. Oh. Is it a blue jay? I think it's a blue jay. Never mind, my camera was facing in the wrong direction. I'll look over this footage later.